Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make apple cider pie. This apple pie has apple cider added to it, giving this apple pie a really delicious apple flavor. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 450 degrees. And place a half-sheet pan into the oven while it's preheating. This helps the pie to not come out underbaked on the bottom. And for the apples, you can use any kind you like. I'm choosing Honey Crisp, but the choice is up to you. So you want to wash the apples and then peel them. And every time you peel an apple, place it into a bowl filled with ice water and sliced lemons so they don't turn brown. And then core and chop the apples into small pieces. And place them into a large pot. Then add in the apple cider and place it onto the stove over high heat until it boils, stirring it occasionally. And once it's boiling, place a lid on top and cook the mixture for another 5 minutes over high heat, stirring it occasionally. And after 5 minutes, remove it from the heat and pour it through a strainer over another bowl. Set aside the apples for now and pour the liquid into a small saucepan and return it to the stove over medium-high heat and heat it until it boils. And once it's boiling, keep it boiling until it has reduced to 1/3 cup. It can bubble up, so if you need to, take it off the heat so you can see how much it has reduced. So pour it into a liquid measuring cup and it should be 1/3 cup. If not, put it back over the heat for a little longer. So once it has reduced to 1/3 cup, pour it into the chopped apples and mix them together until they're combined. Then add in the cornstarch, sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. And mix them all together until they're well combined. Then pour the mixture into a chilled pie crust. I showed you how to make this pie crust in a previous video, and I'll link to it in the description box. Then cut up the butter into small pieces and place them all over the top of the pie. Then roll out another pie crust and roll up the crust around the rolling pin and unroll it over the top of the pie. Then trim off the excess and pinch the two crusts together to make sure they're well sealed. And if you like, you can flute the edges of the pie. cut a few slits in the top of the pie so that steam can escape while it's baking. And brush the top with some milk, or you can use an egg wash. And sprinkle the top with some sugar. And place it into the oven on top of the preheated baking sheet and bake it for 10 minutes to start with. And after 10 minutes, turn the oven temperature down to 350 and bake the pie for another 40 to 50 minutes or until the top is golden. And once it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for about 15 minutes, and you can serve it while it's still warm if you like. And that's how to make apple cider pie. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.